Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change the theme of Instagram. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Now, once you open the Instagram application, you'll be appear with the homepage of Instagram. Now go ahead and head over to your chat section. Now go ahead and select any one of them. Now for instance, I'll just select this and you can see the name on the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that name. Now here are some options available, which is theme, chat controls, privacy and safety. So we want to change the theme of the Instagram. So what we do is tap on theme. Now you can just go ahead and select any of the theme that you like and you can just set it and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.